Today we are going for activity birds recognition. ओके बेटा, आज हम बर्ड्स रिकॉग्नाइज करेंगे. बर्ड्स किसको बोलते हैं, किसको पता है? बताओ, बर्ड्स माने पक्षी. आज हम पक्षियों के लिए रिकॉग्नाइज करेंगे. ओके, यस बेटा. ओके, टेल मी व्हाट्स द नेम ऑफ दिस बर्ड? Parrot. What's the name of this bird? Parrot. And which color? Green. This color is green. What's the name of this animal? Parrot. What is this? Parrot. And which color? Green. Okay, bird होता है ना, पक्षी नहीं है. Okay. What's the name of this bird? Crow. What's the name of this bird? Crow. And which color? Black. Which color is? Yes, very good. What's the name of this bird? Tell me. कौन बताएगा? Tell me, Vicky. Weasel. What's the name of this bird? Weasel. And which color? Gray. This color is gray. What's the name of this bird? Peacock. What's the name of this bird? Peacock. What's the name? What's the name? Peacock. What's the name? Peacock. Jay, what's the name? Avya, what's the name? Peacock. Tell me, everybody, what's the name? Beta, what's the name? Peacock. Darshan, what's the name? Peacock. Naksh, what's the name? Tell me. Peacock. Okay, and which color? Blue. This color is blue. Peacock किसने देखा है? देखा है आप लोगों ने? Yes. Okay. So this bird is peacock. Which color is? Gray. And which color?